Hello friends, in this lecture you will learn about Extrude. Extrude is the tool in which the thickness is added to a 2D sketch linearly. You can see from the sketch, this 2D rectangle is converted into 3D cube. Now we will see how to do in Creo Parametric. This is your Creo Parametric part modeling. This is your Extrude command. Extrude command, when you place a cursor on it, shows you what this options does. There are two ways of using extrude command. First way, to create sketch individual and then select extrude command. The second way, to directly select the extrude command. We will see both of this option. First option, to select the sketch. Click on sketch, select the plane on which you want to sketch. Click on sketch. Now I am creating one rectangle of certain dimension. Then click OK. Control D to bring into default view. Now this is your 2D sketch. You want to give 3D dimension. Select extrude, select placement tab, select sketch, click on the rectangle. Now you can see that the third dimension is added. You can drag this option. You can drag this white point, or you can enter this value from here. Flip the side of the depth value. The next option is of symmetrical. From this drop down, select the second option. In this option, 120 is equally divided from this front plane. This is your complete solid model. Click OK when you are done using extrude command. Now you can see that this is the 3D box. You can rotate this by holding the mouse button and dragging the mouse. When you want to bring this in default orientation, press Ctrl D. Now if you want to edit the dimension of the rectangle, click on the sketch, right click on sketch, select edit the definition. Your sketch window opens. Change the dimension, then click OK. You have changed the dimension of the rectangle. Now we want to change the thickness, so select extrude, right click on it, select edit definition and change the thickness. Now you want on only one side, select the first option and enter the value of the thickness and then click OK. You have done your changes. Now the next way of doing extrude is directly clicking on extrude. Select extrude and it prompts us to select one sketch, so we will click on define. Now I want to sketch from this flat surface, so select this surface as your sketching plane and then click OK. Now I want to add circle. When your sketch is rotated automatically, click on this sketch view to make it align to the parallel screen. To escape the command, press scroll button, click, enter the value of dimension and then click OK. Press Ctrl D to see in symmetrical view. Now you can see that you can change the depth value and then you can click OK. Now after doing this, you want to change the extrude 1, click on the extrude 1, right click, edit definition. Now there are options in extrude. This is side 1. On side 1 your depth value is 100. Now you want the depth on the other side too. Select here, select this line and enter the value. You can add the depth value on the other side too and then click OK. If you want to edit this extrude 2, click on extrude 2, right click on it, edit definition. Now there are certain options over here. This option is of extrude as a solid. Now this is complete solid. this is as a surface. You can see that the thin surface is created. Now if you don't want it as a surface, click on solid. In solid, the second option is of thickness. When you click on thickness, it will ask you for the value of the thickness. I am entering 5 thickness value. You can see that in this circle, inside thickness of 5 is created. You can flip the thickness. When you click, it will move outside. On third click, it will be symmetrical. Zoom this window and you can see that the sketch is in the center and thicknesses are divided equally on both sides. Again, click inside, outside, symmetrical. If you want to enter or change the value, you can change and then click OK. This lecture was about creating extrude command. In the next video, you will see Creo parametric part modeling 3B extrude cut. Thank you for watching this video. For learning Creo parametrics, subscribe my channel. For any queries, email me at bluespark79@gmail.com.